Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on a Mac machine. So the first thing that you have to do is to visit the WordPress website and then get the latest version of WordPress and download the zip file. So to install WordPress on a Mac, you need a software called Mamp. So Mamp includes Apache, Mysql and PHP. So if you guys download this software, it will bundle with the Mamp, which is the free version, and Mamp Pro, which is the pro version. So I'm going to use Mamp Pro in this video, but the workflow is the same with Mamp. Next, you have to install SQL Pro. So SQL Pro will allow us to access our database easily, and we can make database and view our database in this using this application. So if you are using on Windows, okay, so for those of you who are watching my video and you are using Windows or Linux, you can get XAMPP, right? So this is an alternative. So this version also work for Windows, XAMPP, Windows, Linux, and OS X. Or special software for Windows is WAMP server, right? So this WAMP server is like the alternative for XAMPP and Mamp Pro. But if you are using a Mac machine, I recommend you that you are using a Mamp, right? So after you need to download this first, and then you download the SQL Pro. Once you've done that, now I'm going to copy the files into my desktop. Alright, so you can create separate files in your separate directory in anywhere you want, right? So basically I'm going to put it in my desktop. So this is the file here. The next thing that I'm going to do is open my Mamp Pro in this case. So the user interface will be slightly different, but you guys can can use the free trial, right? So first set the port to 80, right? Set the port this one to 80, and this one just leave it as it is, and then head to the host tab. Inside here, press this plus icon, and then let's name our website. So this is for local development, and I will just call it local wordpress.dev. So dev stand for development, or you can call it .app or dot anything you want, but make sure that that the domain name is not public. I mean like .com, it won't work that way, right? So make it .dev for development, right? And then press this folder icon to select the WordPress. So now I'm going to select my desktop and press this WordPress and choose. So once you have done that, save it and start the server now. So I'm going to add my password there, start the server, and you can press this arrow icon to basically, hold on, it's starting right now. Starting takes a while. Alright, and then you can press this arrow icon, right? So once you press that, it will bring you to the local wordpress.dev, and then this is the installation page. So press the language that you want to that you are using and press continue. So now welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, we need some information on the database. Alright, now you are going to need to open the SQL Pro that I have told you just now, and then we need to connect it to our Mamp Pro. So in order to do that, there are two ways. The first way is to insert our credential here, and the second way I will show you afterwards. So open your Mamp Pro again and press the web start here. So here it will display the username and the password. So in this case, the username is root, password is root, port 8889. So I'm going to use that port. That's the port. Localhost. Use 127. Alright. Root. That's connection. Connection failed. So let's use socket this way. Alright. So connection succeeded. So this is the first way. to connect to the local host, use socket, right? And then you can just connect it there. Or an alternative way is just to open your Mamp Pro, head to the Mysql tab there, and open and press this icon, which is SQL Pro app icon. When you press it, it will launch and you are inside the database. So next, let's create a database, add database, and let's call it local WordPress. Alright, and then the database encoding is UTF-8 and the database collection is UTF-8 general CI. Add that, and now head to your browser again. So here you can press the let's go. So database name, we call it local WordPress. The username is root, password is root in this case. The database host is localhost double prefix wp underscore submit. Alright, Sparkly, you have made it through. So run the installation, and we are here. So let's just call it local WordPress. Username, let's just use a unique username. In this case, I'm going to use mine, which is, let me call it Kanra. So this is the password. You can change it. You can change it however you want, and your email. I will just make it kanra@localwordpress.com because this is an example. So I'm going to use any fake email. Alright, install WordPress, and then here we go. So our website is ready. So this is the local WordPress. This thing looks beautiful, isn't it? So now you guys can develop your theme here. You can create your post in the local development or anything you guys want, right? So hopefully this video, hopefully you understand something from this video, and if you don't, please comment in the comment section below, and I will try to answer your question if you have one. And if you like the video, please give it a like. If you don't like it, check my other video, and see you guys next time. Alright, bye.